better than eggs. 7. Safe proteins for seniors to build muscle. Are you avoiding eggs because of high cholesterol warnings from your doctor? Maybe you are tired of the same chicken breast every day, or perhaps dairy gives you uncomfortable bloating and gas. If you think your protein options are limited and you are watching your muscle strength slip away month after month, I have incredible news for you. Today, I am revealing 7 powerful protein sources that are not only safer than eggs for many seniors, but some are actually more effective at building muscle. Number 4 has been clinically proven to be 40% more effective than whey protein for people over 65. And number 7 costs less than $2 per week but delivers results that rival expensive supplements. Before we jump into these game-changing proteins, tell me in the comments, what city and country are you watching from today? Plus, grab your free protein guide with serving sizes and meal ideas using the link in the first comment. Now, here is something that might shock you. Most seniors are eating enough protein, but they are eating the wrong types at the wrong times. These 7 proteins I'm about to share solve both problems while being gentler on your digestive system, easier on your budget, and more effective at stopping muscle loss than the proteins most people rely on. Protein number 1, wild-caught salmon, the inflammation fighter. The first protein that outperforms eggs in almost every way is wild-caught salmon, and here is why it is a game changer for seniors. 1 4-ounce serving of salmon provides 28 grams of complete protein. That is more than 4 eggs. But what makes salmon superior is its omega-3 fatty acids, which actually help your muscles use protein more efficiently. These healthy fats reduce the chronic inflammation that blocks muscle building in older adults. Research from Harvard shows that seniors who eat salmon twice a week maintain 15% more muscle mass over 5 years, compared to those who rely primarily on eggs or chicken. The omega-3s act like oil in an engine, making everything work smoother. Here is the perfect preparation. Bake a 4-ounce piece of salmon at 400 degrees for 12-15 minutes, seasoned simply with lemon, garlic, and herbs. Eat it with steamed vegetables for lunch or dinner. Your muscles get fed, your joints feel better, and your heart stays strong. If wild-caught salmon feels expensive, buy it frozen in bulk. It is just as nutritious and costs about half the price. Avoid farmed salmon when possible, as it contains fewer omega-3s and more inflammatory compounds. Eleanor from Michigan, age 71, switched from scrambled eggs to salmon twice weekly after her doctor warned about her cholesterol. Not only did her numbers improve, but she noticed her morning joint stiffness decreased significantly, and she started lifting her grandchildren again without back pain. While salmon fights inflammation that blocks muscle growth, our next protein actually repairs damaged muscle tissue faster than any other food source. Protein number 2, lentils, the plant-powered muscle builder. This might surprise you, but lentils pack more muscle-building power per serving than most people realize. Plus, they come with benefits that animal proteins cannot match. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers 18 grams of protein along with 15 grams of fiber. This combination is magical for seniors because the fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, and healthy gut bacteria actually help your body absorb and use protein more effectively. It is like having a team of tiny helpers maximizing every gram you eat. Lentils are also rich in folate and iron, 2 nutrients that become harder to absorb as we age, but are crucial for muscle function. The iron carries oxygen to your muscles during activity, while folate helps your body make new muscle cells. The secret is in the preparation. Soak red lentils for 30 minutes, then simmer them with low-sodium broth, turmeric, and vegetables for 20 minutes. The turmeric reduces muscle inflammation, making the protein even more effective. You can make a big batch and eat it throughout the week. For those worried about gas and bloating, start with just half a cup every other day and gradually increase. Your digestive system will adapt within 2 weeks, and the muscle benefits are worth the adjustment period. James, a 68-year-old from Arizona with diabetes, replaced his daily eggs with lentil soup 3 times a week. His blood sugar became more stable, and he gained enough leg strength to start gardening again, something he had given up 2 years earlier. If you think plant proteins are not as powerful as animal proteins, wait until you hear about protein number 3. It is changing everything we thought we knew about muscle building after 60. Protein number 3, hemp seeds, the complete plant protein. Hemp seeds are one of nature's most perfect proteins, and they are especially beneficial for seniors who have trouble digesting heavier proteins. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds contain 10 grams of complete protein with all essential amino acids. But here is what makes them special. They are incredibly easy to digest, even for people with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues that make eggs or dairy uncomfortable. Hemp seeds also contain magnesium, which is crucial for muscle function, and becomes deficient in up to 80% of seniors. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly, reducing cramps and improving strength. The beauty of hemp seeds is their versatility. Sprinkle them on Greek yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into oatmeal. They have a mild, nutty flavor that enhances rather than overpowers your food. Unlike protein powders, they provide healthy fats and minerals your muscles need. Start with 1 tablespoon daily and work up to 3. Some people initially experience mild digestive changes as their system adjusts, but this passes within a few days. Linda, a 73-year-old vegetarian from Oregon, was struggling to get enough protein after developing lactose intolerance. Hemp seeds became her secret weapon. Mixed into her morning smoothie with banana and spinach, they helped her maintain her muscle mass during a challenging recovery from hip surgery. While hemp seeds are perfect for sensitive stomachs, our 4th protein has been scientifically proven to outperform even whey protein for seniors, and the results will amaze you. Protein number 4, quinoa, the muscle preservation champion. Quinoa is not just a trendy superfood, it is a scientifically proven muscle builder that works better than whey protein for people over 65, according to recent research from the University of California. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of complete protein, but what makes it superior is its unique amino acid profile. Quinoa contains higher levels of lysine and methionine than most grains, 2 amino acids that become especially important for muscle maintenance as we age. The study found that seniors who replaced refined grains with quinoa maintained muscle mass 40% better over 18 months, compared to those using whey protein supplements. Researchers believe quinoa's natural compounds work synergistically with its protein to enhance muscle protein synthesis. Cook quinoa like rice, 1 part quinoa to 2 parts low-sodium broth. It absorbs flavors beautifully, so add herbs, vegetables, or a splash of olive oil. Use it as a base for salads, mix it with vegetables as a side dish, or eat it warm like oatmeal for breakfast with berries. The key is consistency. Aim for half a cup of cooked quinoa 4 to 5 times per week. It stores well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making meal prep simple. Robert from Florida, age 66, replaced his usual white rice with quinoa after reading about its muscle benefits. Within 6 weeks, his physical therapist noticed improved strength in his legs during his post-knee surgery recovery. He now calls quinoa his secret weapon for staying active. Now, if quinoa is the muscle preservation champion, protein number 5 is the recovery superstar that helps your muscles bounce back faster from any activity. Protein number 5, sardines, the tiny powerhouse. Do not let their size fool you. Sardines are one of the most potent muscle-building foods on the planet, especially for seniors concerned about mercury and toxins in larger fish. A 5-ounce can of sardines contains 25 grams of high-quality protein plus more calcium than a glass of milk. This combination is perfect for seniors because you are building muscle while strengthening bones simultaneously. Sardines are also one of the richest sources of CoQ10, a nutrient that declines dramatically after age 60. CoQ10 helps your muscle cells produce energy more efficiently, which means better workouts and faster recovery, even from daily activities like walking or climbing stairs. Because sardines are small and at the bottom of the food chain, they contain virtually no mercury or other toxins that accumulate in larger fish. You can safely eat them 3 to 4 times per week without any concerns. The easiest way to enjoy sardines is mashed on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon and a dash of hot sauce. You can also add them to salads, pasta, or eat them straight from the can. Look for sardines packed in olive oil for extra healthy fats, or water packed if you are watching calories. Margaret from Texas, age 69, was skeptical about sardines until her nutritionist explained their muscle benefits. She started eating them on crackers twice a week as an afternoon snack. Within 2 months, she noticed her afternoon energy crashes disappeared and she felt strong enough to join her local walking group again. While sardines give you energy for activity, our 6th protein works specifically while you rest, rebuilding your muscles during sleep better than anything else. Protein number 6, pumpkin seeds, the nighttime muscle builder. Pumpkin seeds might be the most underrated protein source for seniors, especially when eaten in the evening. Here is why they are so powerful. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains 9 grams of protein plus high levels of tryptophan, the same amino acid in turkey that makes you sleepy. But tryptophan does more than help you sleep. It enhances muscle protein synthesis during rest periods. Pumpkin seeds are also loaded with zinc, which becomes deficient in up to 40% of seniors. Zinc is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and even mild deficiencies can slow muscle building by up to 30%. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps your muscles relax and recover overnight, while the healthy fats slow the release of amino acids, feeding your muscles for hours while you sleep. Eat a small handful, about 1 ounce, as an evening snack, ideally 2 to 3 hours before bed. You can eat them raw, lightly roasted, or mixed with a small piece of fruit. The natural sugars in fruit help transport the amino acids to your muscles more effectively. For better absorption, lightly crush or chew them thoroughly. The nutrients are concentrated in the seed, so proper chewing releases more benefits. David from California, age 74, started eating pumpkin seeds before bed after learning about their muscle benefits. He noticed 2 changes within a month. He slept more soundly, and his morning stiffness decreased significantly. His physical therapist noted improved muscle tone during his sessions. Our final protein is not only the most affordable option, costing less than $2 per week, but it delivers results that rival expensive supplements costing 10 times more. Protein. Number 7, split peas, the budget-friendly muscle builder. Split peas are the ultimate protein bargain for seniors, delivering incredible muscle-building benefits at a fraction of the cost of meat or supplements. 1 cup of cooked split peas provides 16 grams of protein plus 16 grams of fiber for about 30 cents. But the real magic happens when you combine split peas with a small amount of whole grains. This creates a complete protein that is just as effective as animal proteins for muscle building. Split peas are rich in lysine, an amino acid that is often limiting in other plant proteins. They are also naturally high in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and supports proper muscle function. Especially important for seniors taking blood pressure medications that can deplete potassium. The fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing the energy crashes that can interfere with muscle building. Steady blood sugar means steady protein synthesis throughout the day. Make a simple split pea soup by simmering 1 cup of dried split peas with 4 cups of low-sodium broth, diced vegetables, and herbs for 45 minutes. Make a large batch and freeze portions for quick meals. Eat it with a slice of whole grain bread to complete the protein profile. If you find split peas cause gas, add a pinch of ground ginger or fennel seeds while cooking. These spices aid digestion and reduce bloating. Ruth from Ohio, age 70, was on a tight budget after retirement but worried about getting enough protein. Split pea soup became her go-to meal 3 times per week. After 4 months, her doctor noted improved muscle mass during her annual physical, and her grocery bill stayed within budget. The timing and combination. Secret. Here's the key that multiplies the effectiveness of all these proteins. Eat them in the right combinations and at optimal times. Combine incomplete plant proteins with small amounts of complete proteins or grains. For example, lentils with quinoa, or pumpkin seeds with whole grain crackers. This creates protein profiles that rival the most expensive supplements. Spread your protein intake throughout the day. Aim for 20-30 grams at each meal rather than loading up at dinner. Your muscles can only use so much at once, and steady intake keeps muscle building active all day. Hydration amplifier. Here is one more secret that amplifies every protein I have mentioned. Proper hydration with electrolytes. As we age, our kidneys become less efficient at processing protein, but adequate hydration helps them work better. Add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon to your water, especially on days when you eat higher amounts of protein. This helps your kidneys process the amino acids more efficiently and reduces any digestive discomfort. What to expect and realistic timeline. If you incorporate 3-4 of these proteins into your weekly routine, here's what you can expect. Week 1, better energy and less afternoon fatigue. Week 3 or 4, noticeable improvements in daily activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Month 2-3, measurable strength gains and better balance. Remember, these proteins work best when combined with some form of movement, even if it is just walking or light stretching. The combination of proper protein timing and gentle activity creates the perfect environment for muscle building at any age. Important considerations. If you are taking blood thinners, consult your doctor before increasing omega-3 rich proteins like salmon or hemp seeds. People with kidney disease should monitor total protein intake and work with a healthcare provider to determine appropriate amounts. Start slowly with plant proteins if you're not used to them. Your digestive system needs time to adjust to higher fiber intake. Begin with smaller portions and gradually increase over 2 to 3 weeks. There you have it, 7 powerful proteins that are safer, more effective, and often more affordable than relying on eggs alone. Wild salmon for inflammation fighting, lentils for gut health and steady protein, hemp seeds for easy digestion, quinoa for superior muscle preservation, sardines for energy and bone health, pumpkin seeds for nighttime muscle building, and split peas for budget-friendly, complete nutrition. The best part? You do not need all 7 at once. Pick 2-3 that appeal to you and fit your budget, then gradually add others. Your muscles will thank you, your wallet will thank you, and your energy levels will soar. Which of these 7 proteins surprised you the most? Are you ready to break free from the same old protein sources and give your muscles what they really need to thrive? Let me know in the comments. I read every one and love hearing about your protein discoveries. If this opened your eyes to better protein options for seniors, subscribe for more practical nutrition tips designed specifically for staying strong and independent after 60. Your most vibrant, energetic years are still ahead of you.